Hey Corey, this is Francisco from Amplify Digital Marketing. As promised, I wanted to deliver this video for you that's going to show you exactly how you can generate clients, how you can maximize on your revenue, and just increase your revenue in general using Google and using your website. So before I begin, I want to show you who I am. And what my company is. We are Amplify Digital Marketing, and this is me here. And I've been in the wireless industry for over 10 years, and I'm actually making the switch over to digital marketing. And the reason why I do this is because I like to be able to help businesses like yours grow using the internet, right? Because a lot of the times using the internet, there's so much going on. You have your own business to run, and I'm just here to help you grow and be able to get more customers. So let's get to it, man. So first things first, I'm going to show you three things that's going to help you gain customers. Okay. So the first thing that Google likes is content. Okay. That's the number one thing. So you guys currently on your website here, if I were to count like all of the words in particular, you have 168 words. So in order for you guys to be optimized with Google or give you that, man, this website has a lot of content, I'm going to place them on the front pages of Google. You have to have at least 1,500 words of content. Okay. So now let's go over to one of your competitors. Okay. I pulled up Strum Heating. These guys right now, they currently have 401 words. Totally easy to beat. Okay. That's not an issue. That's something that we can help you with. At this point, the goal for you, for your website is to have 15 words of content. So that's the goal. Okay. By doing this, you're going to get recognized by Google and optimized. And once again, it's gonna help with your rankings on Google. Okay. So the next thing that I want to dive into is citations. Okay. That's the second most important thing. So you're probably thinking, well, what the heck is citations? So citations in general, what it is, it includes your business name, your address, your phone number, things like that. Okay. That is exactly what citations is. And we basically get links that link back to your website. Now, I pulled this up. This is WhiteSpark. This is a tool that I use to get a better understanding of your competitors. So if we look at Sturm Heating and Air Conditioning, they have 48 citations. You have 26. So currently they're beating you with citations. So why does that matter? Well, once again, Google looks at who has more authority over the other. So now the good thing about this tool and what we can do is obviously, yeah, they're beating you, but let me tell you, man, we can definitely beat them out by over 100. And that's the goal, right? We want to be able to beat your competitors by over 100. Now, let's go back to Google. Okay, so let's go to Google and let's just type in HVAC Spokane, okay? Because that's a lot of people search for that. So if we look at HVAC Spokane, these guys right here, these are Google ads. Now, they're not as effective because every time someone clicks on this, these guys, Eclipse Heating and Cooling, they're going to get charged. Okay, so a lot of folks do that, but it's not cost effective, right? And you're paying for that. Now, what our goal is to get you on the top 3. And what this is called, this is a Google My Business page. Okay. So the more citations you have, the higher your Google My Business page is going to be. Okay. That's the second thing, citations. Now, the third thing that I want to talk about is backlinks. Now, I'm going to show you something here. So this is a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and this helps me understand the keywords. Okay, to simplify it, keywords are super important for Google because that's how people search for your business. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. So let me look at yours for example. So these are all your keywords. Okay, so what this tells me is long heating and air, 1,600 people search for this every month. If we look at long HVAC, 200 people search for this every month. Now, what we want to target specifically, which is keywords that people that want your service, so buyers that want your service, they're going to be searching, for example, HVAC Spokane, Washington, because those are people that need your service now. Okay. And your volume here for that every month is 100. Now, the one that I want to focus on is HVAC Spokane. Look at this. 900 people search that every month. Okay. So if 900 people are searching for that every single month, guess what's going to happen, Corey? These people are the ones that are going to be getting the call first. Okay. What our goal is to get you here, the top 3, and also get your website ranking in the top pages of Google. So if we look at here, right, we have, so these are citation sites. Like I mentioned, it includes your business name. Those don't really count, right? Even though they're ranked, like they're just ranking over the top. But we can for sure as heck get you in the top pages of Google, which is page number 1. So if you look at Sturm Heating, they have the number 3 spot. You got these guys, you got Holiday Heating and so forth, right? So our goal is to get you on the first pages of Google, and we could do it because we've done it with other companies. Now, going back to here, 900 people search for this every single month, okay? So imagine what that can do for your business. You can get people that are truly looking for your business, and this is only one keyword, okay? There's a lot more. Now, currently right now, you're ranked number 30, okay? Let's go to your competitor to see where they're ranked. And this is Sturm Heating. If we look at them, guess what? They're ranked number 3. You see what I'm saying? So obviously what's going to happen is they're going to get most of the traffic. Okay? So that's just the 3 things that I want to recap is 1, front page. Okay? We want to make sure we get you over 1,500 words of content. 2, you want to have between 200 and 300 citations, okay? And then 3, okay, we want to be able to rank your site and get backlinks that's going to help you with your rankings, okay? These guys right now, your Sturm Heating, they have 1,000 backlinks, okay? Versus if we look at you right now, right? We look at you right now, you have 63. Now, here's the thing. It's very beatable. It is going to take some work, but we can make it happen. Okay. Now, what I can say, Corey, that if you implement these strategies today, you could be number 1 across Google, right? And you're probably wondering, well, what now? 1, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that, okay? Because this is some really good information. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, give me a call back. Okay, I'm actually gonna follow up with you tomorrow, but give me a call back and we can talk a little bit more about it. We can talk pricing, whatever you like. So this is my number, the 509-402-289. Once again, this is my number. I look forward to talking to you and hearing from you and just have more dialogue. So thank you again for your time, Corey, and we'll talk to you soon.